100 tiny paintings. Challenge accepted. Yay! I've seen others take on the 100 tiny paintings challenge, and I thought, why not join in? It's the perfect way to refine my art style while painting 100 landscapes. This is going to be an adventure filled with color, creativity, and a lot of speed painting. Hey, I'm Alicia and welcome to my channel. I create magical landscapes and today we're starting something big, 100 tiny paintings in a year. I'll be experimenting, learning, and pushing my limits, all while discovering my unique art style. So let's get into it. Each painting will be a 30-minute speed challenge. No overthinking, just pure creative flow. Can I create something magical in just half an hour? Let's find out. Style isn't something you discover overnight. It develops the more you create. I'll be experimenting with textures, colors, and techniques along the way. Some paintings might turn out amazing, others not so much. But that's the beauty of the process. One down, 99 to go. What did I learn from this painting? Speed forces you to trust your instincts. And honestly, I kind of love that. But what do you think? Let me know in the comments. This is just the beginning of my 100 painting journey. If you'd like to follow along or even take on this challenge yourself, leave a comment or tag me on Instagram. Up next, I'll be painting a vibrant sunset landscape. Let's make some art.